Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can reset your Lightburn to the default setting. So if you're only doing this for something like layouts, it's going to be extremely simple. Now to reset your layout to the default setting, just click on Windows, and then the first option is going to be reset to default layout. From there, if you generally want to reset the whole application, you want to navigate through files, click the preferences option, and then click the open preferences folder. Now it's crucial to exit out of the Lightburn, and after closing out the application, you just want to delete everything inside this folder. This folders or files basically contains our setting, our export setting, and many more. Deleting this and opening up Lightburn again will actually replace it with the default ones. So it will not go ahead and actually destroy or mess up your files. It will just get replaced with the default ones after opening up the application. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.